Just a pilot in his cockpit seated. Black leather on his ass, keep a hustler heated.
Okay, I'm here. Now it's raining hard. So what I want to do today is I want to show everybody just how good all-wheel drive is. This is just the WRX, and sorry if it's loud. It is raining really hard. This normal 2017 WRX. It's not an STI, so it doesn't have the limited slip front and rear differentials, but it is still all-wheel drive. And in my experience, it performs very well in the rain. It is raining really hard right now. What I am going to do is a 0 to 60 run in this rain. Yeah, probably maybe not the smartest thing I've ever done, but I think it'll be fine. But I want to see. It's very, very wet, so I'm sure you can see in the video that it's raining really hard. So I might run into some standing water. I might run into whatever. But I'm going to do it with the traction control off. It tends to nanny in a little bit too much. And I'm going to go off of what I have the limiter set at, or the launch control set at, which I believe is 4600. You'll be able to see in the video. I think it's around 4600. So we'll be able to see just exactly what this thing can do. And I am going to accurately record the run using my Race Logic V-Box Sport. So this isn't just going to be a timer or a stopwatch. It's going to be actual accurate data through GPS, Race Logic GPS, which is basically as accurate as real life. So we're going to do 0 to 60. And of course I have the AC off. It is 74 degrees out, so it's not cold, but it's not warm either. So it's just a pretty good temperature out. But it is pouring rain. So we will see what we can do in this rain. It should be interesting. Okay, this is where I'm going to do it. It's a fairly good road. There's absolutely nobody around here, so there's no risk. So I'm going to start the data logging. And that was really violent on the launch. It was more violent than I expected it to be. But 0 to 60 was 5.95, and I think I can do a little bit better than that. It felt like it launched a little, it spun quite a bit. So I'm actually going to turn up the launch control because of that. I said it's a 5,000 now. I'm going to give it another go. Woo! And got off the line in a hurry there. And that was 0 to 60 in 5.8 seconds with a 1.94 60 foot. That's a pretty good 60 foot for being in the rain. I had some 12-second cars that I couldn't 1.94 60 foot in on the track in the dry. God, this car is stable like that. It is hard to believe that this car is capable of that. It's astonishingly impressive. Very impressive. This is the pouring rain, standing water, and it wasn't really a good. It was more of a concrete surface, so it's less, more prone to hydroplane and not as good in the rain. But we still managed a very good time, at least in my opinion. And again, this was completely traction control, everything, all the nannies completely off, and it took off really well. I mean, it torque steered a little bit, not anything horrible. I mean, nothing that you can't easily control. Like, it didn't feel like I was out of control at any point, and it just went. I mean, like, even going through all the gears, it was really smooth. I mean, it's really impressive that there's not too many other cars. I would say there's not another car I've ever driven that I could have done that in the wet and not felt like I was going to die. So, really impressive.